Hi, this is Julian Raven from God FM TV, thinking about atheism and what it is. This week I've been thinking a lot more about it because having been an atheist once and now being engaged with atheists online, really every day, I'm getting emails all the time and trying to enter into a dialogue. It is amazing to me. The more I think about it, the more I hear what atheists have to say and what atheists believe and the conclusions they have. It is amazing to me how they actually can continue as atheists. I mean, thinking about atheism as a thought or atheism as a position or a philosophy or an idea, whatever you want to call atheism. I'm thinking about it and saying, well, you know what? Atheism only can exist if theism exists. In other words, what came first, theism or atheism? What came first, the truth or the lie? Did the truth come first? How come atheism wasn't what came first? How come it was theism? And then I started thinking, saying, well, this is interesting because without theism, there can be no atheism. And I said, well, let's subtract theism from the equation. Let's imagine atheism without theism. So we ignore and there is no, and we don't say the word, and you're left with you're left with the word a. So what are you left with when you subtract God? When you subtract theism from the argument, what do you have? Doesn't that answer the big question? All of these atheists are all deriving their meaning and their purpose from theism. They're all deriving, many of them, their income. They're all deriving their cause, their purpose from theism. And so if you remove theism from the argument, what do you have left? What is an atheist if there is no theism? What is an atheist if there are no theists? Can there be such a thing as an atheist without a theist? Is it even possible? And then you have to ask the question then, if that's the case, if there cannot be an atheist without a theist, what does that say about the atheistic belief? Doesn't it say that atheism can only then exist because theism is true? And that to have an antagonistic position against theism is just a validation or is just a proof that theism is true and atheism is just a position or an opposite thought against the original thought? I mean, do you see what I'm saying? Atheism is a parasite.